In this factory tour, we will see the CAT6 internet cable manufacturing process. The internet cable making process starts with copper wire reels. Here, a copper wire reel is moved for processing using a hydraulic hand pallet truck. After that, the extrusion process starts. Here, the copper conductors are coated with an insulation material by machine. Once coating is completed, the copper conductors are turned into insulated wires. It is important to insulate wires to prevent short circuits. Here, the white and blue wires are twisted together for further processing. Then, the colourful insulated cables are twisted as per the CAT6 Internet Cable International Standard. Here, we can see the twisted wires all together as per the standard. Then, all the twisted wire rolled into a big reel. Now, the twisted wires are covered with an outer jacket to protect against physical damage and environmental factors. Here, the brand name is being printed on the cable by laser printing machine. This company makes around 900,000 meters of internet cable every month. Finally, the CAT6 internet cable is ready and it is rolled into large rolls. In the end, the CAT6 cable is packed into boxes for shipment.